Samsung Galaxy A72 4G is getting the Snapdragon 720G chipset, Google Play leaks confirms. Also, Samsung Galaxy A82 5G pops up on the Geekbench with Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset. Hey, what's up guys, I'm back again with some Samsung news, so let's begin the video. And starting from the Samsung Galaxy A72 4G variants, we are hearing a new leak that has been arrived from the Google Play console, which pretty much confirms some of the spec sheet of the 4G variant of the Galaxy A72. And one of them is going to be the confirmation of the Snapdragon 720G chipset is going to be coming with a 4G variant of the device. It will also equipped with a 6 gigs of RAM by default, but we are also going to see 8 gigs of RAM as well. Also, the leaks confirms that phone will be running Android 11 on top of One UI 3.1 support as well. And as we already know that Samsung has given us information that they are going to support 3 years of OS update, 4 years of security patches, just like the A71 and A51 4G variants. Anyway, we are also seeing that there are going to be 2 variants, 128 and 256 gigs of storage option are also available. As far as the screen is concerned, the Google Play console revealed that it will be having a 1080p plus resolution, and rumors suggest in the past that it is going to be coming with a 6.7 inch of screen size, which is going to be supported by 90 Hz of refresh rate, and it will be having an under display fingerprint scanner, a smaller notch on top of that, which is going to be having a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And with that, the Google Play console images also confirm the front of the device, which has small bezels on all the 4 corners of the device. Also, the front is going to be protected by Gorilla Glass protection, and there is going to be IP67 water and dust resistant support as well. The 90 Hz refresh rate which is coming is only for the 4G variant, whereas the Galaxy A72 5G is likely based on Snapdragon 750G chipset inside, and that will be coming with 120 Hz of refresh rate on top of that. Looking back at other leaks, the phone is expected to have a 64 megapixel of primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel of telephoto, 2x magnification and a 2 megapixel macro camera. As far as the battery is concerned, it's going to be having a 5000 mAh of a battery capacity and 25 watt of charger in the box. According to unconfirmed info about the A72 and A52 models launch date, it is expected that we might see the devices later this month. Also, the prices has been leaked, and according to the European prices of the A72 4G, it is expected to start at 450 euros. Moving on towards the next leak, we have Samsung Galaxy A82 5G, which is going to be a successor to the Samsung Galaxy A80. Geekbench listing has been arrived, and it pretty much confirmed that it's going to be coming with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset inside. And also we have the model number, that is SMA82 6S. The Geekbench also confirmed that it is going to be coming with Android 11 out of the box, and it is going to be equipped with 6 gigs of RAM. We don't know about the other spec sheet of the device. We will have to wait for more details to come around to paint a full picture. Anyway guys, these are some of the information that has been arriving from the Samsung world. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about these leaks? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.